Here we have the current stock market analysis for MICROCLOUD Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, the share price itself has moved into some higher territory here, and we can briefly look at the 5-minute price chart so that we can get a sense of what exactly has occurred here. So from the perspective of some, this might actually look like a very strong rally on a short-term basis. If we zoom out a bit here, we can see that the share price itself did manage to move off of these lows, which have actually now posted just below the 20-cent mark. We should actually revise this 20.2 cent low. We have seen share prices break below there, but more recently we did see this upward price movement into the 28-cent area. So share prices did see a rally that looks somewhat like this. Now, of course, with a stock like this, what you're going to see is that there is going to be a wide range of people on this platform that are now encouraging other people to start to buy this stock. Now, I can understand this from some sense. If you're trading this on a very short-term time frame, you can see share prices bounce from roughly 20 cents to 28 cents. And that's a very significant price move in a very short period of time. As we can see here, that price low, right exactly at that 20-cent mark, came in during the September 18 trading session. And as we can see here, during the September 19 trading session, we're already trading above 28 cents. This is actually 28.2 cents is the current high. So, on a short-term basis, that's a very, impressive percentage gain for anyone that's looking to trade this stock from a short-term perspective. But as you can see here, that share price was quickly sold off. The share price itself did not maintain these levels for a very long period of time. So, this is a very scary situation here, because what you start to see with these meme stocks that are discussed on this platform constantly, almost exclusively. I mean, people don't really focus on high quality stocks very much. It's almost always these kind of ridiculous meme stocks that people are focusing on. And when you do start to see these recommendations for buy positions in stocks like HOLO, the prices tend to reverse quite quickly. So, we're seeing these price highs coming in during the Thursday, the September 19th trading session. And then during that exact same session, we're already seeing price lows coming in right around 22.4 cents. So we can just sort of write these in here, 22.4 cents. And then this prior price low actually came in at 20 cents. So, of course, this is a very strong movement in a very short period of time. I mean, we're talking about a price low at 20 cents, and then the following day, we can see share prices move all the way above 28 cents. This is actually 28.2 cents. So let's correct this number here. 28.2 cents. And I would agree that that's a very impressive gain for a one day trading session. However, you have to be sure to know exactly when share prices are going to post their highs, because if you're not able to accomplish this, you're quickly looking at share prices trading much lower. So currently, of course, we're dealing with these declines that already come in just above 22 cents. So you've already given back most of that gain here. And let's just do some quick Fibonacci analysis here to see exactly what has occurred in terms of these support levels that have now been broken, because I think that there's going to be a lot of attention that is focused on this stock now that we did see this share price gain, and a lot of it is going to be late to the party, late to the game. As we can see here, this recent movement lower has already broken through the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which came in just below 23.2 cents. And we've already seen share price lows coming in at 22.4 cents. So clearly, we've already retraced most of this price move, the vast majority of it. We're starting to see some share price support that is developing right near the 200 period exponential moving average. That would be this blue line here. But overall, this is a very short-term whipsaw price action that has now already given back most of those gains. So just imagine for a second, you see share prices trading at 20 cents per share. Share prices start to move higher. Some people on YouTube start to make their clickbait buy this now type video. and people start to buy in at, I don't know, 25, 26 cents per share. Where are those positions now currently? They're all trading underwater. If you buy this stock at these upper levels, there's really not much to save you from share price movements into the downside direction. And as you can see here, if we look at the trade momentum that occurred here, the share price movement in the positive direction reversed much more quickly in the downside direction. So if you bought in anywhere near these highs, you didn't have very much time here to get out of that position. Even if you're starting to see trade activity and momentum that is moving in the wrong direction, there really isn't much time here before share prices start to completely collapse, and that share price position is trading significantly underwater. You're losing a lot of money at this point. So if we just sort of move out here to the longer term timeframes, I want to sort of close with this. This price movement in the positive direction, if we move down to the 5-minute price chart, it might have looked massive. Okay. But if we move just out to the hourly price chart, which is a very common time frame, and it's not even a long-term time frame. If we move out to these longer term perspectives here, we can see quite quickly that this upward share price movement that looked massive on the 5-minute price chart looks very small in comparison to the trend movements that came previously. So just for giggles here, let's move out to the 4-hour price chart. Okay, now can you even see that prior rally? This isn't a long-term time frame. Let's move out to the daily chart. Okay, where's today's rally? Where's that price movement that was seen in the positive direction? Why are so many people recommending others to buy this stock? I mean, it's incredibly ridiculous. And I think that most of it just has to do with the hype that is centered around these names. It's really not based on any underlying fundamental, conviction or analysis. And, it can be very difficult to get caught up in these short-term price movements. I mean, it takes a while to upload a YouTube video. I think people need to understand that as well. By the time it might have taken somebody to upload this YouTube video, you're probably already seeing share prices start to collapse here. Okay, we have now seen share prices break through the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of this broader trending move, which means that your next level to the downside comes in at the 786 retracement, which is found at right around 21.8 cents. Okay, there really isn't any other historical support in this area. There really isn't any other moving average support in this area. There's no real reason to believe that Fibonacci level alone is going to contain share price movement to the downside. So overall, this is a very risky stock. I don't know why anybody would be in this name. I'm seeing a lot of very strange comments which say that that people should just be doing the opposite of what I'm saying. But I've been saying to get out of this trade, and all that the share price has been doing since I've been making that recommendation has been moving lower. So who actually has your back here? Who's actually looking out for your best interests? It's not the people that are telling you to buy this stock. So here's the current stock market update for MICROCLOUD Hologram Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.